FESE troop. Yes, today I welcome you guys to this tutorial. It's a tutorial, no? I keep saying tutorial. I'm so used to it. Okay, today I'm actually going to be letting you know that this month we'll be sharing or we'll be doing a giveaway. Yes, we'll be giving a giveaway because I'm also using this giveaway to appreciate you guys and for all what you've been doing so far. I'm happy, and after all, I know that you've been seeing adverts on our channel. Yes, so for people that understand, you know what it means. So I'm really appreciating you guys, and also because of this giveaway, I'm going to be showing the pictures of what we'll actually be showing or will be giving away, and they are also tutorials. Yes, they are also tutorials. So of course, if you don't get to be the lucky winners, if you don't become the lucky winners, there's something you're also gaining, but also there are rules you should also play to make sure these actually becomes possible. So to be a lucky winner of this 8 prizes, not only you, so what I'm trying to say is that we're actually going to be choosing 8 persons. Yes, because we upload twice in a week, so almost all the week, each week we have 4 weeks in a row. So all we need to do is twice in a week gives it 8 fascinators. So, and also these are designs we've gotten from you guys and we are trying to recreate for you. So it's not like it's something that is new, someone else have not actually gotten or done somewhere, but it's also a means for you guys to also learn and understand how these fascinators or fascinators are being done. But they are, of course, they are going to be simple fascinators that when you see for yourself you will be happy. So actually, let's not even talk long. As I'm talking now, I'm actually going to be showing it here or here, so whichever one. Maybe I should just shift for you guys to see more. So as it is now, it's going to be dropping and you will be seeing it. These are designs people to actually send to us, and we are hoping we'll be able to make them. Not even we are hoping, we are making them. It's just for you guys. We have monetized, so we have something to give back, and all you need to do this time is just to follow us on Instagram, follow us on on our Facebook page, and also remember to subscribe now. Leave a comment, one love. Leave a comment, and also on our Instagram page when we upload pictures, please leave a comment. Tell us, oh, YouTube subscriber is here, we are on the game. Yes, it's also something somehow we actually get to know that you really need this. You understand? So we also need your likes and comments. Also like our Facebook page, like everything we do, like and follow, like and follow, so you can actually be the lucky winner. Do you know what it is to win a fascinator in this festive season? So I know you understand, and I know some people will understand better. So let's play this and be the lucky winners. And alongside with what we've been talking about, we actually want you guys to also do us a favor. The least you can do, because basically what it entails is that you are just getting this free. Yes, you're getting all this free. That's having access to our videos, getting to be tutored for free. So the least you can do is allow the adverts to play while you're watching all those videos. This is just what you can use to pay us back in a nice way. You understand? So when the adverts are up, all you need to do is just be patient with it. It doesn't even take you up to 2 minutes, it's gone. Then you continue with your videos. Please do not skip the advert. It's always important to us, and please be faithful to this, and we'll be really glad. You understand? So thank you guys, and we're not asking you for anything. All we are asking is just let the advert play. And if you feel there is something you want to buy through the advert, you understand, maybe you want to subscribe to something through the advert, be nice enough to click on the advert, and let's allow the advert to take you to what you actually want, and afterwards you come back and finish up with the videos. Thank you. And if there are things you need to also purchase on the advert, be nice to click on the adverts and also get all you need to get from the advert. Thank you so much. We love you guys. Just keep watching our videos and also play all these things we've actually listed, and I hope you'll be one of the lucky winners. Guys, I'm hoping you will be the lucky winner. Yeah, you. Catch your leader. See you on our next tutorial. Love you guys.